Welcome to my channel. Flight Assistance Boeing 777X Breakthrough. Major update you need to know: Boeing's next generation 777X is making headlines again with major progress and new developments. From testing milestones to delivery timelines, this update could reshape the future of long-haul aviation. Watch the full video to discover what's new with the 777X and what it means for airlines and passengers worldwide. Program overview and variants. The Boeing 777X, launched in November 2013, is a family of long-range, wide-body, twin-engine jetliners featuring two passenger variants: the 777-8, 395 seats, 8,745 nautical miles range, and 777-9, 426 seats, 7,285 nautical miles range, and a freighter variant, the 777-8F. It incorporates advanced technologies from the Boeing 787, including composite wings with folding wingtips and General Electric GE9X engines, the largest and most powerful ever built for commercial aviation. Certification progress and timeline. Boeing is targeting certification of the 777-9 by late 2025 or early 2026, with first deliveries expected to Lufthansa in 2026, 6 years behind the original 2020 schedule. Certification flights resumed in January 2025 after a pause, and the program has logged over 1,400 flights and 3,800 flight hours. Recent milestones include crosswind testing at Lubbock Airport and brake certification at Clinton Sherman Airport. Thrust link issue resolved. A significant setback occurred in August 2024 when cracks were found in the thrust links connecting the GE9X engines to the aircraft structure, grounding all 4 test aircraft. Boeing developed a fix involving redesigned thrust links and pylon modifications to redistribute load forces, resuming testing in January 2025. This resolution is critical for maintaining the certification timeline. Order backlog adjustments. As of September 2024, the 777X program has 503 firm orders from 12 customers, including Emirates, 205, Qatar Airways, 94, and Lufthansa, 34. However, Boeing recently moved 38 orders into an accounting category for deals at risk of not closing, reducing the backlog from 396 to 358 by year-end 2024. This reflects cautious optimism amid delays and customer concerns. Freighter variant production begins. On July 21, 2025, Boeing celebrated the start of 777-8 freighter production in Everett, Washington, with the drilling of the first wing spar. The 777-8F, the largest twin-engine cargo plane, offers 30% better fuel efficiency than its predecessor and is expected to enter service in 2028. This milestone underscores Boeing's commitment to the freighter market. Advanced cabin features. The 777X introduces a redesigned cabin with wider aisles, larger windows integrated into the fuselage, next-generation overhead bins, dimmable windows, and mood lighting with ceiling star projections. It mirrors the Boeing 787's lower cabin altitude and improved humidity for enhanced passenger comfort, positioning it as a competitor to the Airbus A350. Fuel efficiency and performance. The 777X boasts 10% lower fuel consumption and emissions compared to competitors, driven by its GE9X engines and composite wings with folding wingtips. These wingtips, spanning 235 feet 5 inches, enhance aerodynamics while ensuring compatibility with existing airport gates. Boeing claims 5% better aerodynamics than the Airbus A350-1000. Customer expectations and delays. Emirates, the largest 777X customer, now expects deliveries by late 2026, with a worst-case scenario of 2028. Qatar Airways and Lufthansa remain committed, though frustrations persist due to repeated delays. Lufthansa will be the first to operate the 777-9, with new first-class suites planned for its high-density routes. Regulatory and industry challenges. The 777X program has faced heightened FAA scrutiny following issues with the 737 MAX and a 2020 uncommanded pitch event during testing. The COVID-19 pandemic and labor strikes in 2024 further delayed progress. Despite these challenges, Boeing's proactive engagement with regulators aims to align certification efforts. Market positioning and future outlook. The 777X is positioned to replace aging four-engine aircraft like the Boeing 747 and Airbus A380, offering superior efficiency for high-capacity, long-haul routes. With over 550 orders, including recent commitments from Korean Air and China Airlines, the 777X is set to redefine long-haul travel, though its success hinges on meeting certification and delivery timelines. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.